Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to import a Bricks Builder full site, or a landing page, in just a few simple steps. Let's start by taking a quick look at the template we'll be importing. We are scrolling through it so you can see the layout and features. This is a full site with WooCommerce, so the tutorial will be in 2 points. Part 1 covers the basic setup, and Part 2 focuses on WooCommerce. Let's get started with Part 1, Basic Setup. Right now, the site is completely blank, no pages and no templates. Let's go ahead and import the full site package. First things first, we'll go ahead and extract the package so it's ready to import. Now, be sure to open the README file. It usually has everything you need to know before importing. Step 1. First, install and activate the required theme. Make sure Bricks Builder is installed. Step 2. Install and activate the required plugin. Since this site uses WooCommerce, it is required.
These pages are generated by WooCommerce.
Step 3. Adjust the recommended settings for optimal performance. Remember, Bricks must be active and licensed to make changes or work with this template. Click Save to apply the settings. Step 4. To import the zip file, go to Templates in Bricks and select the file from the package. You can see the custom font included with the template. Let's set up the custom font first and then return to the template to continue working. Go to Custom Fonts under Bricks, add a new custom font, follow the name and weight from the README file in the font folder of the package. Now that the custom font is set up, we can go back to Step 4 and continue working on the template. Navigate back to Templates under Bricks and upload the zip file included in the package to continue. Make sure to click Import Images to include all media. All templates from the package have been imported successfully, and now they are ready to use. Now, go to Pages, add a new page, we're naming it by Home New before importing the template. Publish the page first, and then start editing it using Bricks Builder. Modify the breakpoints to achieve the best result across all devices. After adjusting the settings, click Update to save. Now let's import the home page template. Step 5. Open the settings icon and import the theme style from the JSON file included in the theme style folder of the package. You need to set the condition for the theme style. It can be applied to the entire website or a specific page if you're setting up a landing page. In this case, we'll apply it to the entire website. Let's locate all the places where the custom font is used in the site. Some names might look unusual and don't match any standard font. Those are the custom fonts. After making the changes, let's save and preview the page. The products and blogs are currently not available. We'll import products in Part 2, but right now let's focus on importing the blogs. Navigate to Dashboard, go to Tools, Import, go to WordPress, Run Importer, then import the blog XML file from the template folder included in the package. Choose the blog XML file, click the Upload and Import button, assign a user for the post, enable download and import media, and finally click Submit to complete the process. All blog posts from the package have been imported successfully. Let's go and check it out. We can see the default WordPress blog post. Let's remove it for a cleaner look. Next, we'll view the blog details page to see how it looks. This is not the one included in the package. Let's set up the blog details page from the template. We just need to set the condition, post type, post. Remember to click Save to apply the settings. Now, the blog details page looks exactly as we wanted. This is the end of part 1. Now we will start part 2, which covers setting up the WooCommerce pages. Now, we'll import the demo products included in the package. We'll use the same steps as before to import the demo products, just like we did for the blog posts. All products from the package have been imported successfully. Let's go and check it out. Oops! This product is currently out of stock and has been added only for demonstration. Now, let's take a look at another product. This is the product details page. We can see an error, which we'll fix later. Let's go through the WooCommerce default pages. Now, open the Cart, Checkout, My Account, and Shop pages and start editing them with Bricks Builder. Let's start with the Shop page first. Next, we'll import the Shop template to set up the page layout. Don't be concerned. Everything is working as expected. We only need to turn on Query Sort, Filter, and Live Search in the settings. Make sure to save the settings after making changes. Let's refresh the page. And everything is working now. We can see the live filters. The default category is currently showing. Let's remove it for a cleaner look. Let's test the filters. Perfect. They are working as expected. Now import the remaining page templates and make sure to save after each import. Let's go back and focus on the product single page to make further adjustments. We can see an error. We need to enable the Bricks WooCommerce notice element from the settings. The error has been fixed, and the notice now looks perfect. Next, we'll walk through all the WooCommerce pages that we've customized. Here, you can see the Product Archive page. In case you're wondering where this is coming from, you can check the template that has these conditions set. Next, let's configure the new account registration system for WooCommerce. If you log out, you'll notice the Register tab appears, but no fields are displayed yet. From the dashboard, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, under Accounts and Privacy tab. In the Account Creation section, check the box for the My Account page and click the Save Changes button to apply the changes. We designed this account login template to make the login and registration process work perfectly. Now, let's log out again. Now you can see a register option under the Register tab. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or need assistance.